Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve linked list that is sorted alternatingly. In this question, we are given a linked list of length n that is sorted in alternate order, which means one element of it will be in ascending order and one element of it will be in descending order. Okay, it is sorted alternatingly, and you have to return the sorted order linked list. Linked list in sorted order. So this question is pretty straightforward and self-explanatory. We don't need to think a lot about it. So this example one, this was the linked list 192837, and after sorting, it became 123789, and you returned it. Cool. Similarly, for example two also. So we'll solve this question directly. In order to solve, I will employ a very basic method in which I will create a list, okay, the array list, and I will store all the elements in that of the linked list in that list, and then I will sort the list, and I will again convert store that elements in the linked list. Okay, let's see how I do it. First of all, I will create list, okay, and a variable temp, okay, that stores the head, it points to it, and while this temp element is true, which means while this temp has value, okay, it will go up till very large, very end, and append temp data in this list, and and move this temp one step ahead. Move forward this temp one step ahead. Then a variable I to iteration, and I will sort my list. Cool. Now again a variable temp. Let's this time name it to temp2. This will again point to temp sorry h1. And while this temp2 is true, which means for every element of the linked list, not temp2 data. So this time we are firstly we took all the elements one by one from the list from the linked list to the array list, and now we are putting the array elements back to the linked list. Fine. Again, increment I and move forward this temp. And at the end, we will return our cool. So this is pretty straightforward and basic approach. Okay, node is not defined. Line 30. Okay, so this is some problem with them. They have not defined this. That is why it is facing error. Otherwise, see, in our code we are not even on line 38, but it is showing that we are having error in line 38. So this is some problem with the compiler. You will have to take care of it. So as I was saying, this approach is correct. It does the job. See, it does the job, and it took very less time also. But what you can do is this is not the very optimized manner. Okay, see the space complexity is not order of one. Okay, you can always improve it. Fine, but this will do the job, and you will be able to learn it in very easier manner. Okay, so I hope you learned a new concept and enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a very nice day.